Welcome! Today I'll show you how potatoes are processed in a modern factory. Subscribe for more factory tours.
Utilizing abrasive rollers and water jets, the potatoes are efficiently and uniformly peeled, ensuring perfect consistency for the next stage of processing.
Each batch is carefully cooked to achieve the perfect texture and taste.
Every batch is inspected to meet strict quality standards.
And that's how potatoes are processed. And on from the farm to your favorite snacks.